Ladies and gentlemen, day 2 of SIIMA 2021, and at the red carpet, we have the true anchor of the show, the lady who holds it all together. Brinda ma'am, how do you feel? One amazing, successful evening last evening, and today we're gearing up for 2020.
Feels great. Since it was the starting day yesterday, we took some time ourselves to gear up, but then today we're all set.
Absolutely. And you know, I'm sure all the fans will agree with me. The style quotient at SIIMA is always a level up. All the stars dress their best, and you must know why. When the host looks this pretty, of course, all the celebrities feel the pressure. But I must tell you, ma'am, you walk around the whole time, you're doing so much work, but you still look perfect. Like, you know, when she walks out, she still looks the same. What's the secret behind that?
I think good genes, that's the secret. But then I'm all beat up inside, you just don't know about it. That's it.
But I'm sure the face is always pretty and warm and welcoming. Is there something that you would like to share with the followers on social media, because they've been so supportive through the journey?
So all I would like to say is thank you so much for patronizing SIIMA over the years. It's a decade with this year, and it's possible only because of all you guys, and keep supporting us, love SIIMA, and keep watching SIIMA and follow SIIMA.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for encouraging all the 4 industries. It brings out the best from all of them. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday she looked like a flower, a doll, and today she's looking like an absolute diva. Hey!
Thank you so much. And it's the other way around with you, actually.
I know! So we kind of like switched roles.
The looks, you're looking very, very gorgeous.
But honestly, you've just proven to everybody watching you right now that you can do the best of both worlds and give them like any look that they wish. Could you tell us how you styled this? Did you want this contrast?
Yeah, actually, I was very particular. When I got to know I'm nominated for SIIMA, I was very particular that I have this fish cut gown. So I had this thing in my mind.
Since when?
Actually, it was like whenever I'm going for an award function, I'm going to wear a fish cut. And the minute I got to know I am nominated, I'm like, yeah, no second thoughts. I just selected the design and I was like, okay, color, which color? I was just thinking about it, and I thought green is very unique. Red and blacks.
Absolutely. And on the red carpet, you're wearing such a stunning green dress.
Yeah, so I thought, okay, let's experiment with green, and my designer has done a fantastic job.
Truly. Absolutely. Kudos to the designer. Whoever you are, you've done an absolutely wonderful.
She's really good.
Nagashri, ma'am, you're fantastic.
Yeah, it fits me so well, and I'm just feeling so good.
That's also because you have a figure to die for her. Look at her. I mean, she always underplays it and be so modest, but then honestly, looking so pretty. And tell us about your nomination. As much as this dress has been a dream, I'm sure the nomination has been a dream too.
Definitely. That's a bigger dream, in fact, and that's a dream I really wanted to come true, just like how this outfit came true. So really looking forward to that. Like I said yesterday, I'm really going to cherish the nomination, irrespective of the result. This is going to be extremely memorable that I'm nominated for my first film.
Yes, let's keep our fingers crossed. I really hope you win. But you know that SIIMA is an award where the audience vote for you, and that's how they make you win, right? So is there something that you would like to share with your fans and followers?
They've been really kind to me, and they are the reason why I feel like doing more of it. So it's all because of them and for them that I want to keep doing good work. And they've given great feedback for our first film.
Yes.
And they've really appreciated my performance and the entire team's work. So I think that's a great compliment and a great motivation for us to do a lot more good films in the future. And the nomination just is like
icing on the cake, right?
Yeah, icing on the cake. So kudos to it.
Amazing.
I'm really going to enjoy this moment for the rest of my life.
Amazing. And we're so happy for you, and we're going to expect a lot more nominations and many more films in all industries from you. So good luck for that, and have a great evening.
Thank you so much. I look forward to coming here every season and talking to you like
Aww. I'm so glad. Looking forward to that as well. Thank you so much.
Have a great evening.
You too. Bye-bye.